Wife's away? Watch me solve life's top emergencies like an absolute genius. Post-apocalyptic survival mode engaged. Grate some soap, toss it inside. Pour in high-proof alcohol, seal tight, and boom. Instant solid fuel for later. A tiny spark burns forever, keeping you warm. Or cooking dinner. When chaos strikes hard! Master charcoal making, and you'll easily rule the wilderness like a total pro. Stuff dry twigs in a tin with a tiny hole, toss it in the campfire. The hole vents moisture, controlling the burn. A few hours later, pull it out, plug the hole, cool it, and boom, pure charcoal. Out in the wild, charcoal isn't just fuel, it purifies air. And cleans water. No fresh water around? Grab containers and gauze strips. Wet the gauze, bridge 2 jars, and let capillary magic work. Fabric fibers trap all the nasty gunk, turning muddy water clear. Now just give it a quick boil, and your safe drinking water is ready. Protect your precious gear at all costs. Grab sticks and sturdy cord, stack them layer by layer into a mini pyramid, and build yourself a sturdy basket. Load up your food and scavenged loot. Tie a rope to one end, hoist it way up over a high branch, and suspend it high out of reach to stop wild beasts from stealing your hard-earned supplies. An old light bulb is pure apocalyptical gold. Clean it up, pry off the metal bottom, yank the wick out, bend some wire around the base. Shape a neat standing base, insert a tiny funnel, and pour in a bit of veg oil. Drop in a cotton string, light it up, and boom. A cozy oil lamp to soothe your stressed soul and chase away the doom and gloom of the end times. Stick matches onto corrugated cardboard, trim, cut out the striker strip from the box, sandwich it inside, and tie tightly with twine. Melt candle wax in a tin, dip your match bundle in, pull it out, let it harden, and pack your waterproof survival pack ready to go. No matter how damp or harsh conditions get, one quick strike ignites a long, hot flame to get your fire going anywhere. Found a dead lighter outdoors? Don't throw it out. Wipe the top, pop the wind guard, scrape off plastic shavings, roll the flint wheel to grind down some spark dust right onto those plastic bits. Flick the wheel again to catch a spark, and instantly create an emergency fire starter kit from complete trash. My wife would be so proud of this life hack. Grab a plastic bottle, chop the top, ditch the cap. Flip it inside to make a slick funnel trap. Punch holes, tie it tight, throw in leftover breadcrumbs. Boom! Instant fish catcher! Dunk it right where the fish hang out. Fish swim in for snacks and get totally stuck. That tricky funnel confuses their tiny brains completely. A few hours later, boom! Instant dinner catch! Fresh fish means pure gines, protein power up. Gotta refuel like a champ. High-quality protein is super key after outdoor hustle. Wife-approved wilderness survival. River water tastes nasty, so never drink it raw. Grab glass and plastic bottles. Fill glass with water, slice a bottom hole on plastic. Stack plastic over glass, tilt against a rock. Fire up underneath to boil that glass bottle. Set a clean cup right at the lower end. Steam travels fast. Hot steam cools down and drips into pure liquid water. Dripping clean drops right into your cup. Pure clean water, zero bellyache guaranteed. DIY Distillation keeps you hydrated anywhere in the wild. Saw the threaded bottleneck right off cleanly. Shave off the cap top face. Push through shade net corner. Burn a center hole with lighter. Screw the ring cap tight. Super strong knot anchor point secured without fancy tools. Boom! Custom heavy-duty Tarp grommet. My wife won't yell today. This is how I water my pelargoniums. My balcony will be bursting with flowers. The method is really simple. Just pour 1 liter of water into a pitcher, then add a whole packet of dry yeast. Yeast is rich in minerals that support root development and plant growth, like potassium and amino acids. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Coffee contains nitrogen, a key nutrient for fast growth and abundant flowering. Now add 2 small teaspoons of sugar. Mix everything well until the ingredients dissolve and form a uniform mixture. Prepare a pitcher with 5 liters of water and pour in the entire mixture. Simply take a glass of this magical mixture and water all your pelargoniums with it. Use it regularly, and you'll notice an amazing difference. Even the pelargoniums that seemed weak will come back to life. This natural care method will keep your flowers healthy, strong and beautiful all season long. Hold string tight on tap. Wrap string around aerator nozzle. Loop 7 times tightly. Knot it up nicely. Twist screwdriver to lock it down super solid. No wrench needed. Unscrew filter mesh easily like a pro. Stuck with a leaking T-connector outdoor? Watch this epic hack. Fold hose double. Slice diagonal notches on both sides carefully. Trim off excess rubber ends cleanly. Keep a solid middle sleeve piece. Slip sleeve over joint. Fold hose end backward into the sleeve ring. Tuck tight into cut opening. Boom, quick DIY emergency shutoff valve. Wife will be so impressed.